I just started using Figma and I was wondering where the hell is the scissors tool? Or a tool that lets me cut a path or a stroke or a shape. I'm currently working on some icons and I want to make this shape. Um, I don't want to do it manually. I could do that, but I think it's easier if I do it with a circle. So in Sketch, for example, if I want to do a circle like this one, I would just make a circle, use the scissors, and I would just cut this part, and that's it. I have my circle cut. But we don't have something like that in Figma. But I just figured out how to do it. I had a hard time trying to figure this out. There's no there I couldn't find any tutorial like quickly to figure out this, so that's why I'm doing this one. I would just make a circle shape here. I'll add a stroke. I'm using 2 pixel stroke, centered. Alright, so what I would do here is that we need to cut these paths. So to cut them, you would just click on the path that you want to cut, not on the points, but in the stroke, in the line. So I would just click on it and delete it. I press the delete key. But I want to delete both of this, so I clicked I think it's shift. Yeah, it's shift, and I click on both, and I would just delete both. What happens if I want to delete like a part of this, like let's say this chunk of, I don't know, this line? I would just use the pen tool to add a new anchor point, and say I want to delete. I'll just press enter and add another one, because if not, it will draw over my stroke. So I'll just uh, make this vector points, and now just press on the line I want to delete, that it's this one. I just click on it and I delete it, and that's it. That's how you delete um, strokes or shapes in Figma. And I hope this works for you and it's helpful for you. And thank you for watching.